Hi, I'm Jessica Sharkey, and I'm part of the IBM IOD social media team. Throughout the week, I'll be interviewing different clients, business partners, and IBM subject matter experts to get their perspective of Netezza at IOD this year. And today specifically, we'll be talking to people from the Enzee University sessions. So I'm here with Jeff from REI. Jeff, can you tell us how long you guys been using Netezza and what impact it's had on your business?
We've been using our twin fin system for a little over a year, and I'd say that the system is really fast, and when we look at what our marketing customers are doing, they're able to run queries that they could never run before. So they used to have queries that ran all day. It took them weeks and weeks to do things like marketing campaigns and things like that. Now those queries take minutes, and they can just really tune everything they're doing. They can really get great customer insights now that they could never get before.
I'm here with Jim from IBM. Jim, can you tell us a little bit about what your job role entails?
Yeah, I'm IBM's big data evangelist, so I'm here to tell the world about big data and its value to business, but also, of course, about what IBM can offer with products and services to help businesses to realize value and really to define their big data strategies.
So what is IBM's competitive advantage in this field?
Well, several things. First of all, IBM's been doing data and analytics for a long, long time, and that's the core of big data. Big data is ever-growing volumes of data that you're delivering ever faster into various business applications. IBM provides a full portfolio, comprehensive portfolio of solutions for databases, for analytics, business intelligence, and the like, to help businesses to address pressing problems that require getting their arms around analytics, trends, and patterns within the data sets. That's the core of big data.
Hi, I'm here with David, who held a session at the Enzee Universe this morning. David, can you tell us a little bit about that session?
Yes, well, every year Netezza tries to hold a session that gets all the Enzees together, and we talk about all kinds of things. Today we got together and did the very same thing. It was shorter format. We usually do this 6 hours at a time, and we have different guests and stuff. Today we did panels for 3 hours, and everybody stayed put. That was great. And so, but part of it is because people are very hungry for the information that's here, and we try to format it in a way that makes it fun to listen to, and they absorb some things they can take away. And so I've been doing this now since 2008, and so we've accumulated a lot of information. I have 2 books on Amazon on this, Netezza Transformation and Netezza Underground, and both of those are available on Amazon.com. And those have a lot of insights as well on how to produce, not just administer the databases, but how to actually produce solutions and solve problems and do various things with them.
I'm here with Krishnan, and Krishnan, you gave a great example today in your session about how big data is changing the nature of analytics. Can you share that with us here?
Sure. So I was talking about how retailers especially are beginning to use big data to drive really specific insights about product sales, and Walmart actually does this extremely well. So one of the things that they do is they take weather-related data and correlate that with point-of-sale data, and look for very interesting trends. So they recently found out that whenever there are hurricanes in specific cities, sales of strawberry-flavored Pop-Tarts actually go through the roof, right? And they get it specific enough to this flavor level. And and instead of asking why that happens, and we can get into behavioral science and a whole bunch of things, they decided to focus on the what, right? So now that we know this information, what they do is they track weather very proactively, and whenever there are hurricanes predicted, they actually send enough inventory of these probably flavored Pop-Tarts to those different locations, right? So that's a very interesting example, and companies that can figure out how to use big data and drive analytics definitely have a competitive advantage.